Hi, this is Captain James Fachtmann of JFA Aviation, here to share one of our newest exclusive listings. Let's get started. Some aircraft are simply transportation. Others completely redefine owner flying. Welcome to a new standard of personal aviation. This is the 2018 Cirrus SR20 G6 November 190 Charlie Tango, a modern platform built for performance, efficiency, and undeniable ramp presence. The G6 evolution brought a more powerful Lycoming engine and refined aerodynamics, positioning this SR20 as a true best value Cirrus option. Inside, the Garmin Perspective Plus flight deck offers surgical precision. It's 10 times faster, more responsive, and designed for total situational awareness. With synthetic vision and a fully integrated digital autopilot, this is a sophisticated IFR machine that inspires confidence in every flight. Safety isn't an option here, it's the foundation. The Cirrus airframe parachute system remains the ultimate safety net for you and your passengers. The Cirrus airframe parachute system, Capt, is a revolutionary ballistic parachute recovery system designed for Cirrus SR20, SR22, and Vision Jet aircraft, becoming the first FAA-certified whole-plane parachute in 1998. As of 2026, it has saved over 297 lives by deploying a rocket-fired parachute that lowers the aircraft to the ground in emergencies. The cabin experience is pure luxury, featuring climate control and 5-seat capacity with 60/40 flex seating for your active lifestyle. Manageable operating costs meet the prestige of Cirrus ownership. This is the ideal platform for the modern owner pilot. The SR20 is perfect for business travel, obtaining an instrument rating, or traveling TSA-free on family holiday. Whether upgrading from a legacy aircraft or starting your Cirrus journey, this 2018 SR20 G6 offers the perfect balance of modern tech and incredible value. November 190 Charlie Tango is available now and ready for its next mission. Contact me directly at JFA Aviation to schedule your private showing. For qualified buyers only. Thank you for coming on board with me today. JFA Aviation is here to serve your needs both in the air and in the sea. JFA Yacht is our sister company, beholden to the same core values of integrity, innovative expertise, relationships, dependability, and superior service. My team and I look forward to earning your business and valued loyalty. Fly safe.